Hi, and welcome to the latest installment of Just Collects Pack Ripping. Today we're going to be opening a 1971 O-Pee-Chee baseball pack. The pack has some gorgeous original roller seals on the back. So let's begin. Nobody's going to want the gum, so we'll get that out of the way. The player card, scratch-off game. So, start off today with Johnny Briggs, Hall of Famer Don Sutton, Tommy McCraw, Yankee reliever Lindy McDaniel, St. Louis Cardinals, World Series hero Brooks Robinson, Dodgers great and former stolen base leader Maury Wills, and Brewers shortstop Roberto Pena. The scratch-off game, for those that remember, used to be scratch-off inside and play your 9-inning game, where you scored it on the back, which has been gummed up. Thank you for joining us, and remember that JustCollect.com is always buying vintage sports cards and non-sports cards from 1879 to 1979. Thanks, check back soon.